Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to find profitable meme coins on Tron. Alright, let's begin. Now, one of the key platforms to explore the meme coins is called Sun Pump. This is where the meme coins are created and traded before being listed on the SunSwap. Now, the main idea here is to target the coins that are in their early stages and haven't fully matured in the market cap. So for example, many coins begin with a bounding curve starting from a lower market cap around $70,000 to $80,000. So, coins that have completed this curve and retain that price level often present a good entry point. So, waiting for this retain provides a lower entry point and risk opportunity. So, when browsing through Sun Pump, you need to focus on the coins that have maintained or are approaching their bonding curve level. Also, you need to avoid the tokens that have dropped significantly in market cap and are below 40,000 or 50,000, as they may lack the potential for recovery. Now, on the other hand, the coins with the higher market cap that hold their support levels at around 80,000. Now, utilizing the right tools is also crucial for success. So, platforms like DEX tools can help you track the performance of the meme coins, letting you observe the trends and price movements. In addition, searching for a coin's contract address on social media platforms like Twitter is a great way to gauge community interest. Also, a strong active community often indicates a higher likelihood of the future growth. So that's basically how you can find profitable meme coins on Tron. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.